And they're just like, if to an animal that has such better senses than we do, they might as well just have like sirens on them. And like, you are this shiny, glittering foghorn of attention in the jungle. And like, every animal's going to run away from you. And so people are always like, how come you go out and you see so much stuff? And it's like, I only shower in the river. I live out in the jungle. I smell like they do. Like, I'm out there for weeks. And it's like, I'm not going and like shampooing my hair. It's like, and so like to these animals, like they know when you're coming. Like a jag's just going to be like, oh, there's a human there.
Do you wash with soap when you wash in the river?
I do.